Let's say you start digging right here, straight down. At first, it's dirt, rocks, worms. Deeper down, ground gets wetter and the heat starts rising, about 3 degrees Celsius hotter every 100 meters. By the time you reach just 1 kilometer, it feels like standing in a sauna. Keep digging, you hit solid rock. Earth's crust isn't a thin layer. Under continents, it can be 30 to 70 kilometers thick. That's deeper than Mount Everest is tall, and it keeps getting hotter. At some point, it's over 1000 degrees Celsius. Even the strongest drill bits would melt. Imagine you get through the crust anyway. Welcome to the mantle, about 2,900 kilometers thick. It's solid rock, but so hot it flows slowly, like super thick caramel. Temperature here up to 3000 degrees Celsius. Pressure millions of times what we feel at the surface. A normal tunnel would crush and melt instantly. Go deeper and you hit the outer core. A giant ocean of liquid iron and nickel swirling around the planet. It's as hot as the surface of the sun, 4000 to 6000 degrees Celsius. This molten metal is what creates Earth's magnetic field. Your tunnel, it would instantly fill with boiling metal. At 5,100 kilometers down, you reach the inner core, a solid ball of iron and nickel about the size of the moon. It's crazy hot, over 6,000 degrees Celsius, but stays solid because the pressure is so enormous it squeezes metal into a solid even at those temperatures. At Earth's exact center, something strange happens. Gravity pulls equally in all directions. You'd float weightless, move past the center, and gravity starts pulling you back the way you came. It feels like switching from falling down to falling up. If your tunnel had no air, you could fall all the way through the planet, starting slow, speeding up until the center, then slowing down as gravity pulls you back. You'd almost reach the surface on the other side. Stop, then fall back again. Back and forth forever. Scientists call this a gravity train. One round trip, about 42 minutes. Real tunnels would have air, and air slows you down. After a few bounces, you'd stop, stuck in the center of Earth, floating in darkness. Also, the heat and pressure would crush and melt the tunnel walls anyway. The deepest humans have ever really dug? About 12 kilometers. That's just 0.2% of the way to the center. Digging through Earth is impossible. But thinking about it shows how extreme and mysterious the inside of our planet really is. Beneath your feet right now, thousands of kilometers of hot rock, molten metal, and finally a burning solid heart of iron. Earth isn't just rock, it's a living, spinning, boiling planet, and we're walking on its thin crust.